At one stage in my career, in the first few years, I was posted to be an area manager for soaps and detergents products in Karnataka. As you grow, the unknowns also grows. And that's what keeps you challenged. If you knew all the answers, मैं तो ये बहुत साल से कर रहा हूँ, मुझे सब कुछ पता है, then you're doomed. And I said the first two A's are accomplishment and affability. And accomplishment refers to delivering results. Hindustan Lever or Unilever Arabia was a Unilever company where we had no volume or no sales of detergent powder. Hello, my name is Gopal. I would like to share with you the 4 A's of managerial experience.